Should we start? Okay. So, in last session, we discussed about modules, right? So, we stopped at packages. So, we will continue with packages today. See, modules, I mean, can anybody define like what is a module? I explained in last session. Okay, again, I'm just giving you a brief description about the module. A group of functions, variables, and classes saved to a file, which is nothing but a module. Okay, which is nothing but a module. So you can open any .py file and add variables or functions or whatever it is, and include the module in any of the program, and you can call those functions. You can call those functions or methods. So you can have n number of modules. I have also given some examples on math module, random, some kind of modules, and we have imported them and we call those functions as the previous sessions. So those are nothing but modules. Clear? Clear? Now coming to packages, it is an encapsulation mechanism to group related modules into one single unit. Okay, into one single unit means you can create a folder or subfolders, and you can place your modules and you can pack them as a package and import that in any of the Python program and call those functions in those modules which are in the packages. What is the advantage? Why we should go for this? Because let's say that if there are two packages and two packages has two different modules, two modules, and two modules have same function name, so it will be a little confusing to call them. That was the reason we can resolve naming conflicts using these packages. You can have different packages. Each package will have different functions, modules. Each module will have different functions. Got it? And we can identify our components uniquely. Let's say that if my package is math, I can easily say that this is something related to mathematical operations. If I say something like if my package is related to audio, means this package, if I include, I can do some audio function or audio related methods. It contains audio related methods, variables, or whatever it is. Okay, modules. And to improve the modularity of the application, so you can break, like say that I'm designing an application, something like loans. As a whole, one second. So, as a whole, if I define something like this, okay, one second. So I can have something like this. I can have something like this, in which, one second. So something like this, one module, this is one sub module, this is another sub module, sorry, sub package. So I can name this as an, I can name this as an, say, home loans. Okay, this is something like vehicle loans. Okay, so I can have all modules. This package will have all modules related to home loans. This package will have all modules related to vehicle loans. Likewise, this is my main program. I can include these two packages and I can call functions which are in those specific modules. That's what I mean. That's how I develop my program. Clear? What is a package? Are you clear? Let's go with one simple example. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken one simple, my app is a folder in which I have a package called my package. Okay, see, every package must have a file called underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py file. You got it right? So every package must have that. Then only we can say that it is a package. If it doesn't have, okay, then this is not a package. The main importance of this init underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py file is, it says that this particular folder is a package. Another thing is, like, we write statements, we write import statements. I will show you in just a few minutes. So we write import statements which are also available to use in the program. So we write import statements. These are automatically available when we import this package in the program, in the main program. That is the purpose of this underscore underscore init underscore underscore. And one more important thing is, this underscore underscore init underscore underscore is mostly, it will be an empty file. It will be an empty file. Clear? I'll give an example now. Okay, so I have written a module. This is one module. This module says something like, I have written define sum average power, means I am passing x comma y, it returns sum of two numbers. I am passing x comma y, it returns average, means x plus y by 2, average of the two numbers. I am passing x comma y for power, it returns x to the power of y. These are the functions that I have defined or included in the func1. Now, if I open which function, I have one more thing called def say hello. I am taking name as an argument. Okay, it's going to print hello, the name. There is one more module having another function. I'm going to delete this. I just executed. So now, so the thing is, like, I have my app, my pack is a what? A package, Python package. In this Python, how do we identify a Python package? Because it has underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py file, and it has few Python modules. Each Python module has functions. So, and everything is placed in a folder called my pack. So this is Python package. Clear till here? Any doubts? Now, outside this package, I have a main program. Okay, what I am trying to do, look here, from my pack import, these are the functions. From my pack, I am importing these functions. Okay, now I am calling those functions. Say hello, Sairam, I am passing. Okay, next x equal to power of, because this power will return x to the power, means 3 to the power 9, it should print. This is how I'm writing my main program. Now let us go and see what is there in it. In the init, I am importing from dot func, means in the current directory, you have a module called func, FUNC, import average and power functions or methods from dot which import say hello. So these are the import statements that I have written in underscore init underscore 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 init underscore underscore. Now let me go to so I'm going to execute. Look here. So it has executed. Hello, Sairam. Power of 3, 2 is 9. Power of 3, 2 is 9. This is how I'm writing. Hello, Sairam. Means power of, I am calling this and I am printing this. This is how it is. Okay. This is printed here. But where is hello, Sairam? When I call this hello, I mean say hello, the control will go to where? Wish.py. Here I am printing hello, Sairam. That's why it shows, I mean, it's printing this too. Hello, Sairam. Power of 3, 2 is 9. Clear? Any doubts? See, if you can answer, then only I'll go forward. If you want me to explain again, I will explain. Hello. Okay. I'm going to next topic. Okay. Since I was, we were, I mean, we could not complete this Python, I mean, packages. So, I mean, what I have done, like I have taken this. If I take any other topic, it will be a little lengthy. In tomorrow's session, we will go with the functions or exception handling and files. With these 3 topics, core Python is almost done. Okay. Core Python is almost done. From next week, I am planning to start advanced Python, means OOPS concepts. Okay. So we don't want to waste time. Now we will just go through few programs. Okay. We'll go through few programs. Just trying to share this. Yes, Pramod. Yes, init will be empty. See, init can be empty. I am not saying init will be empty. It can be empty, or you can import. You can write import statements. Okay. One important thing: if you are not writing any import statements, by default the empty file says import all the modules. That hierarchy it will understand and will import. Okay. Clear, Pramod? It can be empty. If you are not writing also, no problem. Okay. You can try once from your end. Okay. Now, where is that program? But the main thing is like you should understand the purpose of package. Okay. Now we will just just go through few programs. See, this is a small program where it is going to take two numbers. Okay, first number and second number, and it's going to add sum, minus, multiplication, division, and then it's going to display. Okay, it's going to display. Now, see, initially what I am trying to do, input, enter first number. So we are going to enter. Okay, so this first number will be in which format? Tell me. See, this is how you need to write the programs. What would be the format of this first number? What will be the type of this first number? Pramod, you tell me. String. Good. So that was the reason we are using typecasting here. You're getting me, right? So then we are typecasting the string to float. Why to only float? Why not to int? We can do it. No problem. Okay. We are going to run this program. So once we see, either you can typecast here itself, and you can add directly, subtract directly, multiply and divide directly, or you can directly typecast here and make it. Clear? Let us run the program. Number is 20, 10. Look here. This is int type. Yes. Why it is showing int type, you tell me? Pramod? Anybody can say why it is showing int type. No idea. Because I am using Python. Yes, I am using old version of Python. In old version of Python, even the default it is going to take input is going to take as an int value. That also I explained in my sessions. In default, in the PC, the same thing I will take it in new version. Means since in my laptop I don't have new version, I am using online compiler. Now you check this. Save program. You take this till here and run it. You'll see what's going to be. 20, 10. It says 10, 10. No. Okay, 1 second. 20, 10. See what it is saying, string. Python 3, they are using Python 3, but I am using Python 2. That was the reason in Python 2, input will work. Input will work, by default. Even if you are giving float, it will take float. You can check here. See, I will give 20.25, 30.34. See, type float. But in Python 3, it's going to consider as a string. Clear? Everybody clear? That was the reason I was getting like this. Sir, if that is the case, why should we do typecasting? You can remove, no problem. You can remove, no problem. Because we are using Python 2, right? Look here, 20, 10. See, it works still. The same program, if you run in online compiler, what will happen? You'll give 20 and 10. See, unsupported operation. Type error. You'll get type error exception. Clear? Any doubts? Clear? Now, similarly, swapping two numbers. Swapping two numbers. Just check the logic. What are we going to do? Say I take input and I am converting into int, and then p I am taking a temporary variable. I am placing this value of p in this temporary variable, and the q value will be placed in p, and the temporal value will be placed in q, and that's how I am going to swap or exchange two variables. Just check here. First time in 200, next time in 100. See, the value of p after swapping is 100. The value of q after swapping is 200. Clear? Any doubts? How many of you has just at least tried once writing a program? Simple programs. How many of you has done this? Or till here you have any questions? Mohan has raised his hand. Others? Only one person. Pramod. Yes. Pramod. No others? So I mean, like, what programs have you written, you guys? What kind of programs? Simple calculator. Okay. Okay. Say something like, I mean, adding, multiplication, subtraction, division, these kind of things. Okay. So why can't you guys develop a small package? Okay. Calculator package. So add, subtraction, multiplication, division in one module, exponential and whatever, modular operation, operators, right? All those operators in different module, and include that package, and try to write a program and show me in next session. Okay. Now we will just go through the next program. So this is a random module. I'm going to import this random module, and I'm going to call that function. Okay. How I'm going to call? Something like this. See, it's going to generate random value between 0 to 1. Last time also, I think I gave this example. Okay. This is one way of importing. Other way of importing is what? From random import what? Random. So what will happen? Forgotten. What did I do? You can import in the other way as well. From random module, import random function. So no need to call random.random. Just call directly the function. Okay. The other way is import random as R. Now what? R dot random. See, it's going to give. These are the different ways of importing any what? Importing what? Functions from the module, functions or variables or whatever it is. Now I have one more module called calendar. So I import that calendar. I take input as an year and month, and I'm going to call calendar.month. This function, somebody is asking something. Change the range. Yeah, we have other methods also in random where we can change the range. You can just go through my previous video. I have given 2 examples for that as part of modules only. I included random, and then I gave some 2-3 examples, I think, only for random. You guys don't remember? Okay, anyway, I will just give, once this example is done, I will just give one more this thing. Did I speak about underscore name underscore? No, did I speak about underscore name underscore? Okay. Yeah. Okay. We will discuss that also. Okay. Now, so it's going to take year and then month, and then it's going to call calendar.month. This month function will accept 2 variables. One is year and another one is month, and it's going to display the calendar of that specific month and year. Now, Python example. See, year is 2022. 02 is the February. It's going to print something like this. 1999 January. It's going to print January. This is how it works. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Now, random, I think random, I explained few things. Rand int, I think that was the function I used, rand int. One second, let me check this. Rand int, rand int, rand int, we have to pass 20 comma something 50 and see how it's going to work. See, so this rand int is something like it will pick random int value between 20 and 30. You can also take 20 and 25. It will take random value. See here 23. So this is one of the method in random module. Other than that, we have uniform, something like r dot uniform, means the difference between rand int and uniform is In between X and Y, if I say 20 and 25, it includes 20 and 25 also. But in uniform, it excludes 20 and 25. It will pick some value in between this. Some value in between this, excluding what? Excluding 20 and 25. Clear? Likewise, see, every module, you can go and check the help and you can find the methods and you can read the description and you can follow that. Okay. So in tomorrow's session, what I will do, I will explain how do we go through the help of each module and underscore name underscore that variable I will discuss about. I thought I have already spoke. That was the reason I did not, so little confused. So I'll explain that. Then we will go with accessions, exception handling. Okay, tomorrow. Then Sunday we will go through about the function in files. Their core will be complete. Actually, this two will come as part of advanced only. But since I am including in core, the core will be completely done. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow with these things. So we will have a little lengthy session tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay. And one more thing is like I will revise from starting again. Maybe on Sunday, if I am revising that on Sunday, we will push that files to next week. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So mostly we will revise from starting on Sunday. So better if anybody has missed my class also, in that 1 or 2 hours, I will explain again in a short, okay? The basic from starting onwards till whatever I have covered. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Take care then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.